All right, I'm here with Dr. Jones. This piece of siding flew off up there. And so we're repairing that piece up there. And then we have the replacement piece. Thank God we found the exact color and everything. What the old siding had was there were no crimps. And so there's a J channel and then there's a utility trim, and you slide this tight into the utility trim and it doesn't come off. What you do is you put these little crimps in, and it's like a kind of like a zip tie, how it has teeth and it won't undo. That's what these guys do. And so you put those little crimps on there every foot or 2 feet roughly, and then they stick in. This one had no crimps on. I think there were maybe some and they broke. And the other piece is in the truck that we took that actually blew off. So we're putting these crimps in and we're gonna stick it up there, and it's gonna look muy beautiful.
Oh yeah.
All right, we got the new piece of siding in. Basically undistinguishable. You can actually, technically, there's a slight weathering difference just because weather, but it's looking great. Complete, beautiful.